Jay.
Oh, yan, game.
Okay na? Okay, we're back at Give Up. Everyone make some noise! Napakaraming tao ngayon. Napakagrabe ng laban natin ngayon. It's a rematch. Okay, heavyweight shit going on. Sa kanan, representing squatter something. Boy G! At sa kaliwa naman, Slaughterhouse. Wala pang talo, si Kantot Militar.
Venue.
I want to thank all the sponsors, Taretsy for our venue, Tarets Grill, and thank you for my shirt.
Black
And for his shirt.
Nike.
Baguio for his shirt. Corner, blue corner. And Marlboro Mentor.
Yeah.
Botak for his jersey. Okay. Call me, on my right, call him there. Okay, sino na?
Ladies first now.
Okay. Isang banat kay Kantot Militar. Let's go. Dalawang banat. Yeah. Game.
Yeah.
Para mong nilaban ang itak sa ice peak. Kaya sa pumayat ng ganyan, tagasagwan ng Titanic. wait lang. Ano nga ba eh?
Nako! Kaya lang kasi gold show.
Ha?
Isa na lang.
Kasi, isa na.
Nakita kita kagabi, nanonood ka ng Kapuso. Nakita kita yan sa tabi, may tamod ka sa muso.
Trabaho niya sa gabi, tagatulak ng roller coaster. Pag yung burat niya tumigas, laki ng Vicks inhaler.
Wow!
Shit, man, shit!